Welcome to my outdoor patio. I thought it would be fun to try to chat about sewing out here.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I have a lot of fabric to show you. This outdoor things, guys, I'm sorry, it's not working for me. I'm like not in my element. I've got birds over here, you know, having a family meeting. I got dogs over here barking. I just gotta go back inside, okay? So I'm just trying to gather up all of my fabric. I've got a huge fabric haul to show you guys today. Also, I'll just kind of let you know, I'm just going to be sharing with you a few of my makes. I also am going to share with you, oh, I made this dress. Okay, if you missed my pattern review on Wednesday, go ahead and check that out. I love this dress so much that I made another one, this red one. And so I'll show you like full length. I'm gonna share with you later on in the video, like just full length pictures of this cute dress that I'm making. But also I'm excited. Oh, and my daughter, she had a birthday that we celebrated this last weekend.
She turned 6, and so she had a couple of friends over. We had a piñata, of course, and cake and ice cream. She also wanted a wedding dress, so her nana bought her a beautiful wedding dress. And then I also sewed her up this dress out of some whimsy, fun fish fabric.
Okay, those pockets are really cute. Let's go out and get some pictures, okay?
And then we spent time in the mountains and hammocking and just enjoying each other's company. And then I just really love this McCall's dress that I made, pattern 7742, that I whipped up another one in this red colored fabric.
I'm also going to share with you all the fabrics that I got from a new, new to me fabric online shop. I'd never shopped there before, so I got a lot of good fabric to show you. So for my fabric, I picked up a few pieces for the rest of the summer, and then I also picked up some pieces for fall. I know we're only in the middle of July, but you know, you got to think about that stuff. You got to think ahead. So this fabric haul is from an online fabric shop called Olga's Closet, and I've heard about it. I've seen it online a couple of times and have just never pushed submit on the fabrics, but they were having a pretty nice sale, and so I'll just show you what I got. So for my daughter, I had mentioned I still need to sew up quite a few items for her, because when I went to Target, everything was picked over. You know, it's the middle of the July, they're gonna start stocking up on like back to school clothes and things like that. So I found this. It's just a really light double brush poly, and this is these are just some stars, and I already washed it, so it's a little bit wrinkly, but I like to wash them before I sew up garments first, so that I know, you know, how much it's going to shrink and also what it's going to look like after washes. So it held up pretty well. So I got this one, and then I got this orange one because I might make another dress for her friend as well. But I can make them, you know, just as one dress, or I can even combine both colors and do like a cute tiered dress. And these ones I picked up for, it was about $4 a yard. So I thought that was a really good deal. It was on sale. Okay, so then the next one that I picked up is a French terry. I don't know if you guys ever watch the Elia Mac Patterns channel, and they have Diana on there that does videos, and she talks about like her favorite knits to sew with. And French terry, I think that was her most favorite one, I think that she said. And so I decided to pick up some French terry. So it's got the tiny little texture in the back. It's got some good stretch to it. And I believe, you know, it's gonna be a nice wearable garment for summer. This one is also a coral and a pink. And so I think I just might make me up just a basic tee out of this. Let me stop talking and show you what it looks like. It's got these palm trees. See? So I thought that one would be really cute for summer as well, just to sew up a really quick tee. And this one was about like $6 a yard. So not bad, not too bad at all. I got another French terry one. I thought this would be good for my daughter as well because I need to start thinking about making her some clothes for the fall. And so this is a French terry, see the back, and this is also some stars. And so it does look a bit see-through right here, but that'll be okay because usually in the fall and the winter, she wears a shirt underneath anyways. So I'll probably make her like a long sleeve tunic, but there is enough here if I want to make me something. I don't know how I feel about the stars. And this one was a little over $4 a yard. So again, I feel like that was a bargain. This next one I got is another double brush poly. This one I got 1 yard of it just to make like a basic knitted shirt. I figured this one I can do like color blocking. So, you know, the top of floral and then maybe something yellow and then like a stripe at the bottom. And I haven't decided if I'm going to make this for me or my daughter, but this one was only $3.98 a yard. So that one, I feel like we can really make something cute out of that one as well. Okay, I have never sewn with ribbed knit, and that is another one that was recommended to me. And so I picked this one up. It's $5.48 a yard. And this one I picked up mostly, I'm gonna probably sew something for my daughter. Although, I don't know, maybe it's kind of cute on me as well. You know, just a really nice color for the fall, but it's got the ribbing in it, which I hear provides a really nice drape. So I think I might make this into something for my daughter. So this one was $5.48. I got 1 yard of that one. And so I'm just really excited to sew. These are some fabrics that I don't really have experience sewing in, especially the rib knit. So I'm excited to get started on that. And so I got another one. This is like a fall print. And I don't know yet what I'm going to make of it, but I got about, how many yards did I get of this one? This one I got 2.5 yards, and 2.5 yards came to $13.68. So that's about $6 a yard that this one came up to. But look at how cute this one is. And it's the rib knit. So you can see the texture like that. And I think it's just a really cute pattern for fall. I can't wait to make something with this one. Okay. Now this next one is another fall fabric color, and I think I know what I'm gonna make with this one. I'm thinking for the fall, like, you know, you gotta have the puffy sleeves. You're thinking, I'm thinking short dresses so that you can wear them with leggings. And so I kind of have a pattern in mind for this one, but I really like it. It's like a waffle knit. Let me see what the description shows. Oh, this one is a rib sweater knit. I got 1.5 yards for $8.21. So it was probably like $6 a yard. And so this one I think is really pretty for the fall as well. And it's got the ribbing. It's like a waffle knit, but yeah, like it says, a sweater knit. So I'm thinking of making something with some puffy sleeves. And I also love, so in the wintertime, I don't like to wear the chunky knits, although I did read an article where chunky knits are really in season this winter. But whenever I go to events, I end up getting like overheating because I'm so hot in these thick sweaters. But these ones I love because it's long sleeve and it's thicker than a regular cotton, and it's just perfect for me. And so it's lightweight and I'm not gonna, you know, overheat. And so I'm really happy with all of that fabric. So I will be sharing with you all the makes, of course, that I make with all these different fabrics. But for now, I just want to thank Jen for putting together the hashtag Friday Sews. Make sure that you go and check out everybody else just by putting in the search bar hashtag Friday Sews. And again, I just want to thank you. I am so happy hearing from all of you guys, and I love replying to all of your comments. And just thank you to all of my subscribers. Make sure that you come back Wednesday so that you can see another video. So thank you for your time and happy sewing. Bye, guys.